Okay, so I have a Honda Pioneer 700. The exhaust gasket donut is making all kinds of noise. It's blown out. I couldn't find anything online to help me try and figure this thing out. So I figured I'm going to do it. I'll make one. So you got to get under here and loosen these two bolts. And for that, you need a 12mm wrench socket. Loosen them. And then up under here is a 14mm. You got to loosen that up. And then you can slide the whole exhaust back to put the donut on, which goes on here. This is what it looks like. And basically, we just slide this dude on here like that. Then put this piece here back over it, tighten it up, and it's good. I think I'm going to put some heat resistant silicone on it just to help. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it's all back together. This is a 12mm. The other one is a 14mm. Loosen them up, back it up, slide your donut on, and then put it back on. It's not so bad. Okay, so all wrapped up. Let's see how it sounds.